Well, look who's finally out of bed.
You want to know why I woke up and got ready late? Because all night long I could hear you snoring. I couldn't even sleep.
Get out of my house. I hope you have a terrible day.
I hope you have an even worse day than me.
Get to school, you brat.
Sup, stinky face?
Sup, ugly face?
You think I'm ugly? Who do you think you're talking to right now, Timmy?
No, I think you're really pretty. I just had to say it.
Timmy! Why would you do that, you silly Billy?
Timmy, no! My best friend!
Now, Jimmy, why would you do that?
Brianna!
What?
Tell the class the answer to number 2. Now!
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Of course, you can't answer the question because you're not smart enough.
And you can't keep a husband because you're not good enough.
That was too far.
Sorry.